Removing price tags, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that you might encounter in your daily life, especially if you enjoy shopping or giving gifts. We're going to talk about removing price tags. Understanding this phrase not only helps you in a literal sense but also enriches your English vocabulary and cultural understanding. Let's get started. When we say, remove price tags, we're referring to the act of taking off the labels or stickers that display the price of an item. Price tags can be found on a wide range of products, from clothing and accessories to electronics and gifts. The reason for removing them can vary, such as when you're preparing a gift for someone and you don't want them to see how much you spent. Removing price tags is often considered a matter of etiquette or thoughtfulness. Here are a few reasons why people might do this. Gift giving. It's common to remove the price tag from a gift to focus on the sentiment rather than the cost. Reselling. If you're selling an item, you might remove the original price tag to set a different price. Privacy. Sometimes, individuals prefer not to disclose the cost of their purchases to avoid judgments or questions. Not all price tags are created equal, and removing them can sometimes be a challenge. Here are some tips. Peel slowly. For stickers, gently peel from one corner to avoid tearing. Use heat. A hairdryer can soften the adhesive, making it easier to remove sticky tags. Rubbing alcohol or vinegar. These can help dissolve the adhesive residue without damaging most materials. Tag removers. For clothing, a tag remover or small scissors can be used to snip the plastic tag without harming the fabric. Remember, always check the material of the item you're handling to avoid damage. We hope this video has shed some light on the simple yet important task of removing price tags. Whether you're preparing a gift or managing your own items, doing it correctly and thoughtfully makes a big difference. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips on English language and everyday practices. See you in the next video.